Hello, today I would like to talk about this small device. This is called Nostril retainer. Actually, as a plastic surgeon, we were using this device for supporting of the nostril, especially with cleft lip patients and for reconstruction purposes in plastic surgery. But for a while, I also use this small device for patients who I want to support nostrils just afterwards, just after the surgery. And although we make some construction to support the nasal cartilage, especially nasal cartilage, sometimes skin is very heavy, and this heaviness can make a certain amount of pressure over this cartilage. So in the healing period, while our stitches are healing, this support is going to help. It's support like a cast to our patients' nostrils. Also, in some soft tissue deficiency issues like revision rhinoplasties, I'm using this instrument in some certain purposes. Like if you are a deficit in the cartilage, and when I do reconstruction, I also use for support this device. This is not for everyone. I'm not using this for every active rhinoplasty patients or every revision cases. But when I want you to use this, I do not recommend to use this 24 hours a day. Sometimes it can make irritation in the nose skin. So around 8 hours a day, and usually 4 to 6 weeks will be enough until your stitch heals and your cartilage that we stitch have enough power, enough strength. We believe that this device have a lot of benefit. There's another thing. Sometimes patients want to use this for more symmetry. It may have benefit, but it's not really very useful. Just when you do everything, every construction same, it can make a little bit extra support. It may provide for certain amount of symmetry. It will provide a support for certain amount of symmetry, because nostril symmetry is three-dimensional. Not all parts you can have support with this device, but it's a very useful device. And for the last 10 years, I use in this device in certain amounts of patients. How to use this device? This has two holes inside, so when you place this curvature must sit beautifully here, like this. It has two holes and you can breathe through them. I usually recommend this kind of antibiotic creams. You can put over it, and now it's going to glide smoothly, easily inside of your nose. So then you can take it, you can wash it with tap water, with soap strongly, and you can use it again. Also, I usually do not recommend to use this in outside. Again, it's mostly enough to use just at home, 8 hours, 10 hours a day, maybe while you are sleeping. It's going to help you to have a better benefit from this device.